guys, it's December 23rd, 2020. I got a call from this guy. He's got no heat. He's got a gas boiler, old style boiler on the ground type of thing. And he says, I've been there, I was there a couple of months ago doing something for him, so I want to know if he says it's natural gas boiler, no heat. So we're gonna go over there, see if we can help him out, find out what's going on with his heater. See if we can get him going. Cold in the truck, Molly. It's gonna warm up.
In 2 miles, turn left on Union Avenue.
On our way, Mama. Steve is working again, y'all. Steve is working again, Mama. The valve vent is running. This is open. That's running. Pilot might be out. I have a pilot out. I'll have to check when I was here last. Move and clean all burners. Pilot assembly, oil power vent motor. Only a pilot on this thing, so it might be that. Is there a screw in there? I'm gonna shut the power off because there's power going to that little. There's power going to this little roll-out switch. I'm going to shut the power off just to be safe. I don't want to burn nothing out. Pilot's out, so we'll change that thermocouple and try it again. Bottom panel right off of here. Makes it easier. Three screws out. Okay. Drop it down like that. I usually go with the Honeywell 36-inch. It's got the adapter for it. I also have universal ones that I buy in bulk. But they don't have the coupler though. That's the only problem with them. When the pilot's out like that, I just change the thermocouple. I don't even test them or nothing. I just change them. It's out for a reason, right? pilot to stay on. The thing will probably fire up and be good. It's 3/8. Pilot staying on. Put that back on. And turn this on. And flip this. It's got zone valves, so it's going to take 90 seconds to call. Power ventil's running. Fired. These are actually really good thermocouples. Alright, blew out pilot hood, new thermocoupler, rear-lit pilot, fired up unit. I got a drip from the high vent, looks like. I gotta tighten that up. There's a little bleeder on the top. I should be able to